We go with my bike check. You know, it's about Hot Wheels frame, limited edition, 2010, bruh. Fresh out of the dollar store, son. Get it, Dollar Tree. All right, here we go. This is the Tonka forks. Tonka forks, and go straight to the crank. New 2011 Fisher Price cranks. They work. They never crack, dude. You land on anything. And here you can see back there is the next sprocket. It's pretty small. Next did a real good job on that. Alright, and we got the Mongoose chain. If you can see here, you flip it around. The Mongoose chain. And we got Ripstick wheels. These things will never crack or pop or do anything. You can land on anything and it will not pop. Ripstick is the best wheels you can go for, son. Alright. I got my Nike pedals. They like the best pedals ever. They hold grip real good. And I think, the Dora Explorer seat. This seat is so comfortable, bro. It's the comfortable seat you can ever have, son. And comfortable. See that? Comfortable seat ever, son. And you got them freaking awesome Hannah Montana rims, son. Hannah Montana rims. They're like awesome. They got bright colors. They come in every color. I got Ryan Sheckler Barons. They're like the best Barons you can have. They come straight out of Kmart, son. Fresh out of Kmart. They like about 50 cents. They're the best, son. And I think that's it. But this is a real nice bike, for beginners. At Dollar Tree, I think it's like 99 cents or $1. But, oh yeah, and I forgot about, the Huffy handlebars. Them things are awesome. They are awesome. I can't even explain how awesome they are. I got them AutoZone grips, invisible grips. The AutoZone grips, they like see-through grips, And I don't know what else. But it's pretty much my bike, and I got the Mongoose hub. Pretty solid hub. And I think I got everything. Pretty much, Oh yeah, and I got the new stem, dude, made from Gain, the Gain stem. Smells very good too. Yeah, pretty much, son. Straight out of Dollar Store, Dollar Tree. Comment on it. Rate it through 1 through 50. It's pretty nice,